In this video, I'm going to show you how to do step calibration, which is a method we use in ecology for determining how many steps we need to take to get to a certain distance. It's an individual metric. Every person takes a different stride. Their stride is a little bit different length. So I'm going to give you my stride today because you can't come to lab, and you're going to use that to do your calculations in lab. And so you'll be able to figure out how many paces I take in 2 meters. And what we do is we lay out a tape for 50 meters, which I have here on the ground behind me. I walk it 3 times. You take the average. That will give you how many steps it takes me to get to 50 meters on average. You'll divide that by 25, and that will give you how many paces I take in 2 meters. So again, just 3 times, I'll walk that, you'll take the average, and essentially what this does is allow you to go out in the field and simply walk however many paces you need to get to, say, 50 meters or 100 meters, whatever your set distance is. It allows you to just go do that and walk it without having to lay out a tape every single time. And even though you aren't laying out a tape every single time, so you think it might not be accurate, once you're a practiced ecologist and this is just second nature to you, it'll actually be a relatively accurate metric, and it makes life out in the field much more efficient. So now I'm going to walk this tape 3 different times. Okay, so now I've walked that tape 3 different times, and I have a pretty long stride. My stride is just short of a meter. So it turns out that my 3 numbers are 52, 50, and 53. You're going to add those 3 together, divide by 3, you'll get the average number of steps it takes me to go 50 meters. Divide that by 25, and that's the number of steps it takes me to go 2 meters. And then we'll apply this in lab.